Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to tap on this arrow icon to open more options, and as you can see the second bar is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options to choose from, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the specific option you'd like to use, it will be immediately highlighted, and now we can go back and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course, you can turn the timer off just by getting back to this option and tapping on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.